We're getting ready to snorkel. Oh, I just got a mouthful of salt water. In this video, I prove I'm not coordinated enough to actually snorkel. We see the lagoon around Raiatea and its sister island, Tahaa, and see some gorgeous fish. We see what Tahaa produces, like black pearls and vanilla. We see sharks, and we go home to a gorgeous sunset. Join us. Hello, it's Bee, and today I have spent the entire day on islands around Raiatea and Tahaa. I cannot pronounce that, obviously, but we've been snorkeling, we've been to rum distillery, we have had just a magic day. We are now on a moat 2 where we had lunch. We've seen black pearls and how they're made, and I think we have one more stop at the vanilla plantation. I love vanilla. I'm kind of hoping they're having some for sale. And we just saw, I think it's called a black tip shark. He wasn't very big, but he's gorgeous. And the most gorgeous fish. Snorkeling, our guide was incredible. And my sister and I aren't the best swimmers. He helped us the whole time. He checked on everybody to make sure everybody was having a good time and safe. We saw so many fish. We saw coral reef. I can't wait to share it with you. Thank you so much for joining us. Raiatea and Taha are basically sister islands that share a lagoon. All of the snorkeling and lagoon excursions I saw from Raiatea actually go to Tahaa. We got lucky because our excursion included some products that are made on Tahaa. It's so pretty. It's really pretty. I know. So we're literally touring it by boat.
Black-lipped oyster. And we have about 100,000 oysters, all in different stages of development. So some of them are too small to use for farming. And they're all stocked right by the reef break. You'll see 2 green markers.
We're getting ready to snorkel. Oh. Just got a mouthful of salt water. That was really gross. I just got a mouthful
Ready
of
to
salt
snorkel.
water.
Such beautiful, so beautiful. Bill, the water feels great.
Oh, it feels so nice. He said that this is kind of considered winter here.
And it's cold. This is
not
winter.
cold.
Can you imagine?
This feels so good. Okay, so this is where we are in the lagoon, and we're going over here to this motu, and then they have a coral garden. And I have thank you to Steve for my full face snorkel because I'm not the best swimmer and I have to hold my nose.
And he promised us he'll take care of us.
Yes, and the guide is so good. He promised he won't let us drown. So I'll film what I can. This is our motu where we enjoyed our lunch in the sunshine. Isn't that beautiful? Oh wow. At the same time. There's a shark.
So that's what you'll be swimming with.
Oh, he's just a wee one. I can do that.
This is here, it's exposition on the sun for 1 hour. And then I close to keep that heat. The heat will force the vanilla to perspire. But it's not only one packet that will come up because we have a lot of vanilla to come on the sun. And then we have to sort them by sizes. We have also some vanilla like that. When it's smell it.
Ooh, wow.
Overpowering.
That's very strong. Wow. Showing off in a minute or two.